What's up, everyone, and welcome back to the Offbeat Gardener. The image on your screen is not a mistake. Bear with me one second. I want to say a little something before we get into the video. So if you watched my last video, I kind of took you on a trip with me to collect my Azure Standard haul, and I did show the haul in the end of the video with all the prices. If you're unfamiliar with Azure Standard, they're a family-owned and operated business that provides all kinds of produce and household items and things of that nature to promote a healthy lifestyle. They're all about the healthy lifestyle. And I wanted to visit another business, which, if you saw the title of this video, you already know where we're going. But they're about the healthy lifestyle too, but in a completely different way. So stay tuned. We're going to get into our little adventure right now.
Getting everything okay?
Yeah, we're
Good, good.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Here you can see they have a decent amount of vegetables available. It's pretty much the usual suspects. There were a couple of things that were interesting, like the purple cabbage and things of that nature, but it's pretty much regular groceries. As someone who grows a bunch of different colored tomatoes, I was excited to see something other than a red tomato in a supermarket. Unfortunately, it just says that it's an heirloom tomato. It doesn't give any specifics. My mom and I picked up some Thousand Island dressing to try, and here I want you to see how it works with the cart. You just put your item in the cart and it'll automatically, with the cameras or whatever technology is inside there, scan the item and let you know that it's in the cart, as well as what your total is and how many items you have. To show you one more time, you just take your item, place it in the bag or the cart. The cameras will light up and scan the item and automatically calculate it on the screen. How much is a gallon of milk? If you've ever been to a Whole Foods, then you're familiar with their hot and cold bar, their sandwich and sushi stations, and all of the fresh food, pizza, etc. that you can get hot and ready to go to take home. So here's the salad bar. No lie, we stood at this chicken for about 30 seconds because we were mesmerized by it. I don't know if it's because we were hungry or it just looked that good, but they do have hot items as well. bunch of Amazon bestsellers available for purchase, and there's a customer service area where you can pick up packages from a locker or drop off returns. So when you add things to your cart, it'll automatically calculate how much your total is. But if you take something out of your cart, so for example, we'll take one of these out, it'll know by itself that you took something out, and it'll recalculate to deduct the amount of whatever it is that you took out of your cart. And we're gonna go ahead and put this back in because the cats need it. So here's the checkout area. There are regular cash registers, but there's also the Amazon Dash Cart lane, which is specifically for those smart carts. So if you didn't fill up bags as you went while you were shopping the way that we did, they do have a station here to pack your items if you just use the cart by itself. Here's the really cool part about this whole experience. While you walk through the dash lane, it automatically knows that you're walking out of the store. You don't have to do anything. It calculates everything and charges your credit card, and you're ready to go. So that's our trip to Amazon Fresh, guys. What did you think? Let me know in the comments down below. I'd be interested to hear what you guys have to say. And for me personally, I thought it was a very interesting experience. I'm glad I did it. And my mom said she was glad that she came along because she said she wouldn't have gone in there because she felt a little intimidated with the whole smart cart situation and not knowing how the whole experience is supposed to work. But it's pretty straightforward, as you guys saw. I thought it was really cool. It very much feels reminiscent of a typical Whole Foods, which Amazon does own Whole Foods. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. And like I said, let me know, is there an Amazon Fresh store near you? Have you been in one? Would you like to go to one if you don't have them in your area? Let me know in the comments down below. And again, thank you so much for watching. I will catch you in the next one. Bye!